What if I told you that being too nice isn't actually kindness? It's a hidden trauma response. Today, we're diving deep into the fawn response and how it's quietly destroying your life. The fawn response is one of the four trauma responses: fight, flight, freeze, and fawn. When you fawn, you people please to stay safe. Sign number one: you apologize for things that aren't your fault. You say sorry just for existing or having needs.
You learned as a child that keeping everyone happy was the only way to feel safe. So now you do it automatically.
Sign number two: you feel responsible for other people's emotions. If someone is upset, you think it's your job to fix it. This is exhausting.
Sign number three: you say yes when you desperately want to say no. Your body screams no, but your mouth says yes. D. You were taught that your needs don't matter, so now you ignore them to avoid conflict or abandonment.
Sign number four: you feel guilty when you set boundaries. Saying no makes you feel selfish and bad.
This guilt is not yours. It's left over from childhood when you had to earn love by being useful. Sign number five: you lose yourself in relationships. You become whoever the other person needs you to be. Your identity disappears because you learned that being yourself was dangerous. Sign number six: you stay in toxic situations far longer than you should because leaving feels like betrayal. You fawn to keep the peace, even when the peace is slowly killing you inside. Sign number seven: you feel empty and resentful after helping others. You give everything and feel drained. The good news? Once you see the fawn response, you can finally start to heal it. Healing begins when you stop abandoning yourself to keep others comfortable. Start small. Practice saying no to one small thing this week. Notice how it feels in your body. Your needs are valid. Your voice matters. You don't have to earn love by being useful. The people who truly love you will respect your boundaries. The ones who don't were never safe anyway. You deserve relationships where you can be fully yourself without performing. You are allowed to take up space. You are allowed to have needs. You are allowed to say no. Healing the fawn response is how you finally come home to yourself. You've spent years being what everyone else needed. Now it's time to become who you truly are. The version of you that says no is not mean. It's free. Start choosing yourself. Your future self will thank you every single day. You deserve peace. You deserve authenticity. You deserve to live without constant people-pleasing. The fawn response kept you safe as a child. Now it's time to let it go. You are safe now. You can finally be yourself.
Thank you for watching until the end. If this resonated, you're not alone.
Healing is possible. You've already taken the first step by watching this.
Start today. One small no, one small boundary, one small act of self-respect.
You deserve to live a life that feels like yours, not everyone else's.
You've got this. Choose yourself. The world needs the real you, not the version that says yes to everything. See you in the next video.